Hey guys, look, this is my e-bike Tashi, and today we're going to do the cover of Tashi, guys. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good. Abong.
Kaya nga.
Ang cute ako. Now look. You see, that's just 5%. You see, it's 5%. Abong. Tiger, by the way. Thank you for sponsoring Tiger, okay? I can get it in Nabandahin, like Batangas City. It's just for the place, okay? It will be done until tomorrow. By the way, my cousin is here. So how can you find? Listen. If you find the cover of an e-bike, tell it to me in the comments. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, by the way, the elections is just guys, Pacquiao. How about can we do it? Can you just do it? Yes. So my e-bike is now 19. So Tashi, by the way, is now 19 years old. February 12th, in February 12th, that is her birthday. Okay? Because somewhere about in the 2010s to 2020s, maybe, or something like a year, you can do it. Okay? So by the way, many vehicles are here.
Magsakay kami dito. Ang iyong mami ay nagganto.
So you see, this is two holders. Then you can see yourself, guys. Here's a mirror. Let's see if the mirror's still doing it. You can see this is me. Hello. Now it works. It works. So you see, I can do it. Right? Okay. So that's the end of my Tashi. I think she will not die in the future. So say hello to and Tashi is the one that is a hero. Bye guys.